Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing swatches of the holiday nail lacquer set from Butter London that's available for a limited time at Costco. This set includes 4 mini nail lacquers, 2 of which are exclusive to this kit, as well as a nail file, and the polishes include Brolly, London Fog, Iced Lolly, and Pash. This set retails for $19.99 and I believe it's available at most, if not all, Costco's in the US. So I unpacked the kit, and here is the double-sided nail file as well as the 4 mini nail lacquers that come in this kit. Just to compare these mini nail lacquers to the full-size polishes, here is the full-size polish in London Fog from the Zodiac Nail Vault, which is 11 milliliters, versus the mini-size London Fog from this Costco holiday kit, which is 6 milliliters. And here's a side-by-side look at the brushes. They're both wide, but I noticed that the brushes in the full-size bottles have a more rounded tip, while the brushes of the mini polishes in this Costco kit are more flat. Okay, now onto the swatches. First up is Brolly, and I've swatched this polish a few times on my channel. Brolly was released earlier in the fall, and it's also the Sagittarius shade in the Butter London Zodiac Nail Vault. And speaking of the Zodiac Nail Vault, if you want to see the nail art I created featuring Brolly, you can click the card in the corner of your screen or the link down below. And Brolly is a dark navy blue polish which has a slight jelly-like formula on the first coat, but it builds up to full opacity on the second coat. So here are 2 coats of Brolly. Next is London Fog, which is a light to medium gray with a hint of blue, and London Fog is also available as a full-size polish in their normal Pat & Shine 10X nail lacquer line, and it's also the Aquarius shade in the Zodiac Nail Vault. I've also swatched this one with the wide round brush, and it applied just as nicely with the wide and flat brush, and it's opaque in 2 coats. So here are 2 coats of London Fog. The third shade is called Iced Lolly, and this is one of the 2 shades that are exclusive to this Costco holiday set. Iced Lolly is a metallic polish, and it's in between a pink and a lilac shade. And after 2 coats, I felt that it might need a third, but I think I prefer it in 2 coats because to me, the brush strokes just looked a little bit more visible with 3. But anyways, here are 3 coats of Iced Lolly. And the final shade in this Costco holiday set is called Pash. Pash is the other exclusive shade, and it's a dark shimmery magenta polish. It looks a little light on the first coat, but the color deepens and it's fully opaque in 2 coats. So here are 2 coats of Pash. Here's one more look at the 4 polishes in this holiday kit that's exclusive at Costco, and this set will only be available in stores for a limited time, so if you're thinking of getting this kit for yourself or for someone for Christmas, then check it out at your local Costco. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up down below. And if you want to see some of my other Butter London swatches, you can click the link on your screen or down below. But anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!